welcome back to my channel. So today we are in Geoje-do. I'm really excited. This is my first time in Geoje, but I've seen so many people travel here and I think we picked a really good day because the weather is nice. It's actually fairly warm right now for winter, which is great. Geoje is known for having some really cool landmarks and also their seafood. You cannot come here and not eat seafood. So as always, usually the first thing I do in my travel vlogs is start off with lunch, and that's what we're doing today. Have not eaten yet, so I'm starving, and we are going to a pretty famous restaurant. It's called
보재기집?
What is it?
보재기집.
And it's actually been on TV several times here. It's been on like KBS and NBC and stuff like that. So it's basically like Geoje style of bibimbap, which is a bowl of rice and then you have like a ton of vegetables and meat in there. And instead of the like bulgogi or any other kind of meat, it is fish. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I hope you guys are excited for this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. And let's go eat. This is the Myeon bibimbap. So as you can see, it looks like normal bibimbap, but it's fish. And then this is mulhae, which is an assortment of fish, kim, and then a really delicious sauce. So we're first gonna mix this. It's good. Same. We're too hungry.
Yeah.
I don't know which one I want, guys. I always eat shin ramen. I should do something different. I either always eat that one or that one. Yeah, maybe this one. Okay, so we both decided that we were in the mood for some ramen. So we came to see you, and we both got some ramen to eat. And we're gonna make it.
Okay.
just came to our next spot, and it is Windy Hill, and it's basically a windmill on top of a hill. Really cool is on the other side. This is what you see. It's like a 180 view of the ocean, and when the sun's out, it's really, really pretty. There it is! After looking at the windmill, you can come down here, and I don't even know if the camera is going to pick up how clear the water is, but it's so peaceful. Okay, so it's a little bit later on now, and we came to kind of like the central area of Geoje, and I found online that there is like a historic park, which is like a prisoners of war camp, if that makes sense. So as you guys might or might not know, there was a Korean War a while ago, and during that war there were prisoners that were basically held here, and once the war ended they turned it into a park, and they have just like, I think, some different memorabilia from that time. I'm not completely sure. If you know much about the Korean War, if there's anything you want to share, comment it down below, because I honestly don't know much about it, and that's something I would totally be open to learning more about as far as Korea's history goes. But I believe in like 1958 or somewhere around there was when the war ended. So since then this has been like a remembrance park, if that makes sense. So this is what the camp used to look like in 1951, and this is what it looks like today. It's changed so much.
이때도 말 보러 가 있었네.
Hershey's. It's American, you know, Hershey's. So here's a sign that shows during the Korean War, all the countries from the United Nations that helped back Korea. And I had no idea. Look at how many Americans. Guys, so we just came to this cafe. This is probably one of the prettiest cafes I've been to in Korea. It's right on the water, like cafe, water, and look, it's called In the Sunset, I think. It's so pretty out here. We're gonna go find a spot. Okay, so here's what I got. It's, what is it?
On the sunset.
Oh, on the sunset coffee.
Yes.
And I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna try it.
흑임자, 구름다리, 어찌고 저찌고.
Have you tried before?
No?
Oh, okay.
I can feel the sunset. I feel like I know the sunset.
I can feel the coffee beans inside of me.
저희 보통은 양쪽으로 홀그레이 소스랑 내장 소스에 찍어서 드시고
네.
컵밥간 심심하시면 저기 양념장이나 새우장 간장에 찍어서 드시면 되세요.
아, 예, 감사합니다.
맛있게 드세요.
Alright guys, here's what's up for dinner. This looks so good. There's abalone. I've never had abalone that looks like this before. I usually eat it raw or in some kind of soup form. And then we have our banchan, and what's in there? Oh, yeah, yep. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Gyeryong-ro.
Yeah.
해녀. You know 해녀?
What the hell is that? Hanyo. Oh, Jeju Hanyo?
I just searched it. 해녀 challenge.
It's real?
Yeah.
People go.
People go for experience.
Okay, I want to do it. Alright guys, we just finished dinner. Huge shout out to not only that place, but Sharon for helping me find it. She was the one that recommended it to me, and it was good. The abalone, if you go, get the abalone, it's really good. Very buttery and just juicy, and it's right on the water. The water is literally right here. But with that, our trip is over. It's the end of the day now. We're gonna go back to Busan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've been to Geoje, let me know where you visited. I feel like this place has like so many little hidden gems. It's a really charming island. Like there's just, I don't know, it's really cute. I like it. And as always, let me know where you guys want me to visit next in Korea. I am taking like all the right precautions as far as COVID goes. If the government continues to lower regulations, I will travel more. And always let me know where you guys want to see me go next. Spring is coming. I'm so excited, you guys. Like winter is almost over. But anyways, I'm rambling now, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. I posted a lot of pictures on my story from this trip, so if you're looking for more behind the scenes, follow me on there. That's about it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.